Greetings cryptocurrencyusa.net followers. Today Binance announced a new launchpad opportunity. Firstly, I need to give this information. If you need information about cryptocurrencies, top cryptocurrencies, best cryptocurrencies, you should check our website. We have articles and videos about best cryptocurrencies. You can get all informations. If you don't have account on Binance, you can click this account banner, and on this page with this code you can open your Binance account. In this way you can get 20% commission kickback code lifetime. Now today our title is beta token, beta finance, how to stake beta finance. Now I want to show you. Please wait. Yes, we entered Binance. We created our account. Please don't forget this. Do your KYC approve. In this way, your account will be safe. Your account already safe in Binance. We have Safu Foundation. Now, how to deposit money on Binance? Firstly, click buy crypto. Select your currency in your country. I want to show with United States dollar. Where is United States dollar? Yes, USD. Now click credit card, debit card, deposit. Now we need BNB coin for stake how can I tell, beta finance, beta token. Okay, select BNB here. Now for example, with 3000 USA dollar we can get 8 BNB. Okay, click continue, add your debit card numbers and continue again. Now we have 8 BNB. Okay, we bought 3000 USA dollar BNB. Now how to stake? Come here, we visit here, Launchpad, find Launchpad and click Launchpad. Now we are in Launchpad. On this page, click beta. You see 8 days. Now, system calculate your accounts on your spot account BNB. You have 8 BNB. Wait and wait this period. Okay, when this period came, this button will transform to stake BNB, and when you click BNB stake, you will get beta finance. But you need to calculate something, and with 8 BNB, how much beta finance you will get. You will calculate this. Because of this, you will check documents. Here you see. Yes, but please don't forget this. This is not normal launch. This is not launch pool. This is launchpad. Dear followers, when you stake your BNB here, when you get your beta finance tokens, your BNB will gone and you get beta finance. Don't forget this. Yes, it's so easy. Now thanks for watching. If you need more information about cryptocurrencies, you should visit our website. You will follow us on Google and you will join our Telegram account. Everything's so easy. Wish you a good day. Wish you good trade. Emre Ata.